Welcome to Boldeck eLearning. In today's video, we will talk about how to lock cells in Excel. For example, let's say that you want to send this sheet to your departments in the company, but you want each and every department to fill only the cells related to his department. So how to do that? First of all, we will select the cells that we want to allow the user to edit them. Then we will go to Format Cells using Ctrl 1, and then we will go to the Protection ribbon, and then we will untick the locked option, okay, and then we will press OK. Then we will go to the Review ribbon and then to Protect Sheet, and we will have this pop up. Here we will specify which options will stay usable by the user while this sheet is protected. So for example, I have allowed the user to select any cell, either locked or unlocked. Maybe they need to copy it, okay, but I did not allow them to format cells, neither to format columns nor to format rows, etc. Okay, we have many options, you can check them all. Let's set a password 123 for example, press enter and then re-enter the password 123 and then press enter again. Okay, let's try to fill out procurement expenses for example. That's 12,000, that's 300, 30, 20 for example. Okay, we were able to fill them all. As you can see, we have some cells that are related to these expensive and they are automatically filling. These are total formulas or some functions, okay, and if I click on them to edit the formulas, it will not allow me. Let's try that. As you can see, we have a warning that this sheet is protected and we cannot make changes to that. Let's try to add some data to other departments. For example, let's go to sales, add some salaries for example. As you can see, I'll get the same warning message again. Now let's unprotect this sheet so that we can edit all the cells again. We will go to the Review ribbon and then unprotect sheet. We will enter the password 123, press enter, and now I am able to edit all the cells. Let's try for example filling the sales, 2000, 500, 200, 33 for example, and 20. As you can see, we were able to fill up all the data required. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this method, please put them in the comments. And as always, thank you and take care.